little sad story at a comedy club. You wouldn't get a whole lot of laughs, that's for sure. That's because the crowd will be confused. They expected a joke and got the opposite. That's why it's important to know your audience.
Let's look at a situation that could happen to you. What if your teacher emails you? She's asking for a progress report on your term paper. How would you reply? Would you write a reply like this? Or would you write something more like this? How will your teacher reply to each of these emails? If you send the first reply, the teacher's response will probably be something like this. If you send the other reply, however, she might say this.
How would you have replied? Sometimes informal language is okay, like when you're talking to your friends. Other times, you need to use more formal language. It all depends on knowing your audience.